Hello children, Jai Hind. Today let's revise chapter 1 and chapter 2 of English standard 3rd. Okay, I already explained you, but right now I am again doing revision of chapter 1 and chapter 2. So let's revise both the chapter. Our first chapter is the Magic Garden and the second chapter is the Yellow Butterfly. Let's start the first chapter. Okay, so I'm talking about the Magic Garden. I will take you in the world of flowers again. You know, in the Magic Garden what happened, why it is Magic Garden and where is Magic Garden, that you know. But let me revise you once again. The Magic Garden is in playground of the school, right? And who was the gardeners? Yes, small children like you. Small children, small students of the school. They are gardeners of this Magic Garden. Okay? Why they are gardeners? Because they are watering cans to their thirsty roots of the flowers. Okay? Students are giving water to the thirsty flowers. And birds are coming over there. Students are giving breads. Okay? Breads to the birds. Then children, when children are coming over there, flowers are dancing. Why? Because flowers are happy to see the children, and children are also happy to see the flowers. Birds like very much children. Why? Birds like all the children, and especially small ones, little ones. Why? Because those little children are giving bread to the birds. And in this Magic Garden, fairies are also coming. Fairies are also seeing the children and all. And fairies like to sing with children. Fairies like to become dressful, right? Colorful dress for the children. And flowers also like to become colorful for the children. Especially which flowers were there in the school playground? Rose, marigold, sunflower, poppies, pansies. These all flowers are there in the Magic Garden. For example, rose, marigolds, sunflowers, poppies, and pansies. These all flowers are growing in the Magic Garden. And especially, who are the gardeners? Children, students. Students are gardeners of the Magic Garden. Students are gardeners of the Magic Garden. And the Magic Garden was very pretty. What is the meaning of pretty? Pretty means very beautiful. So pretty, what is the meaning of pretty? Pretty is very beautiful. Means the Magic Garden is very beautiful because of beautiful flowers. Rose, marigolds, sunflowers, poppies and pansies were there. Okay, long sunflower flowers are also there, and they are becoming proud because it is long. And students becomes gardeners and giving water to their thirsty roots. Whose thirsty roots? These flowers thirsty roots. And they are becoming gardeners with the water cans. When students are dancing, singing, flowers are also becoming happy, and flowers are also dancing and singing with the children. When the sunshine fell in the garden, flowers become very happy and singing and dancing. Fairies are also coming. You know the fairies? Fairies are so beautiful, and fairies like always children. So fairies are also flying with the colorful wings and coming in the Magic Garden and playing with the children who are gardeners. So sometimes when they are sleeping, they are thinking what will happen next day, what children will do next day. So they are sleeping and thinking about next day when children will come and children will enjoy with the flowers and fairies. Okay children, so this is the first chapter, Magic Garden. You revise it, learn it carefully. Okay.
3.
Now we will start the yellow butterfly. As you know that there is a Sonu's garden, and in that Sonu's garden there is a yellow beautiful butterfly. You all like butterfly because you are also children and you are also trying to catch the butterfly. So one day Sonu is saying in his garden there is a yellow butterfly flew around. So he tried to catch, but what happened? The butterfly sat on the rose and it is sucking the rose juice. And when Sonu is trying to catch, slowly Sonu is coming closer. So what happened? Butterfly flew away. Butterfly flew away. Then Sonu again tried to catch the butterfly. Sonu went behind the butterfly and tried to catch the butterfly. Then what happened? Where does the butterfly went away? You know that? Butterfly sat near the pond. There is a one pond is there, and in this pond there is so many white lotus. White lotus leaves are brown. Butterfly sat on the white lotus leaf and sitting over there. Sonu tried to catch again the butterfly, but what happened? When Sonu went to the closer to the butterfly, again butterfly flew away. And then where the first situation where the butterfly sat on the red rose. This is the first sitting place of butterfly. Remember, okay? Then the second is white lotus leaf. And what is the shape of leaf? Circle, round. Okay. Then what happened? The butterfly flew away again from the lotus leaf, and then it went away to the peach tree. Near the wall there is one big peach tree. Over there in the peach tree there are pink flowers of the peach tree. So again the butterfly sat on the third situation where it is on the pink flowers of the peach tree. Okay, the first situation, first setting place red rose, the second is white lotus leaf, and the third is pink flowers of peach tree. And then what happened? Again Sonu tried to catch slowly without making noise, going closer and closer. But what happened next? Again butterfly flew away. So now what happened? Where the butterfly went away, you know? Sonu is finding here and there, up and down, but the Sonu is saying where is the butterfly? The butterfly is in the spider's web. And now it is the bad condition of butterfly. Now the butterfly escaped in the spider's web. The big spider, black spider, and the black spider was very hungry, and the butterfly is trying to come out, trying to escape from the spider's web, but it could not. It's fluttering its wing, trying to come out, but it cannot. It cannot come out from the spider's web. So what happened then? Sonu saw butterflies in the spider's web, and spider is very hungry. Spider is very big and black. So now what happened? The Sonu will try to catch. So the four sitting places, spider's web. What is the meaning of spider's web? Spider's web is spider's house. Okay, spider is making from its saliva. From its saliva, spider is making web, spider's house. So in the middle area, spider is there and spider is black and very hungry. wants to eat the butterfly. So spider is going near and near, closer and closer, slowly, slowly. But what happened? Butterfly could not come out. Butterfly tried to fluttering, tried to remove itself to come out from the web, but it could not. But when the butterfly trying it, Sonu saw that butterfly is in spider's web. So Sonu what did? Sonu is going closer and closer, slowly, slowly. And when the spider is also coming slowly, slowly to eat the yellow butterfly. But what happened at last? When spider came near to the butterfly, suddenly Sonu came and Sonu caught the butterfly. And now butterfly is safe. Why? Because now it is in Sonu's hand, not in spider's web. Now it is in Sonu's hand. Sonu like the butterfly. Sonu love the butterfly. So Sonu is seeing the butterfly. That butterfly is so beautiful. It has yellow wings and brown color spots on its wings. So butterfly is very beautiful. But so when Sonu is seeing butterfly, Sonu is seeing that the butterfly is very sad, and Sonu don't like the butterfly become very sad. Why butterfly is sad? Because butterfly wants to flew in the ground. Butterfly don't want to catch in Sonu's hand or anywhere else. So Sonu is thinking, I don't want to catch the butterfly. Let the flew away and let butterfly free. So Sonu is telling, go butterfly and flew away, fly away in my garden. So at last what happened? The butterfly become very happy and flying merrily, okay, in the garden. Again the butterfly sitting on the same condition, same place. The first sat on the red rose, second on the white lotus leaf, the third is pink flowers of the peach tree, and the fourth no. Then he is not going, butterfly is not going to the spider's web, but butterfly is going in the Sonu's garden, flying in the Sonu's garden from flower to flower merrily and happily. And now the butterfly is very happy, and Sonu is seeing the butterfly is very happy. So Sonu is also become very happy that butterfly is happy. So remember children, never try to catch any animals or insects for your life, okay? Like us, we like to become free, so they also like to become free only. They don't like we are keeping in the cage or anywhere else. They don't like, they want to become free. So never try to catch any butterfly or any insects for your lives, okay? So this is the revision of both chapter, the magic garden and the yellow butterfly. So children, once again you go through it, once again you revise it, once again you listen it. Until then, stay safe, Jai Hind and goodbye.